Today on Stupidness, we got the helmet of stupidness, the skateboard of danger, and last but not least, the mini bike. Oh yeah! Get around. Okay. First, I'm gonna do a really dumb trick. Crap. On this thing. It's all busted, it's all old. Wheels are a piece of crap. Alright. Let's get rolling. Safety first. Are you good? Okay. Alright. Here we go. Yeah. Let's see how high I can get this thing. Yeah. It doesn't even break. Crap.
Hey.
Good enough. Now, the master of disaster, the mini of tinny, the mini bike. Let's get running. I'm gonna do a wheelie over this. Yeah! Yeah! I made it.
Do it again.
Huh?
Do it again.
Alright. Here we go. Yeah! Oh. Okay, we're good. Now, I'm gonna run the video camera over. Just joking. Alright. Time to do the best trick in the world. I'm doing it, no hands! No hands! I made it! Alright. Time for the super trick of something! Slow motion. You getting this? Ring, 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 ring. Woohoo! That's the end of our bid.